UniCredit Bank HypoVereinsbank Review. App: the pros, the cons. Managing your banking on the go has never been easier, but does the UniCredit Bank HypoVereinsbank app truly deliver convenience and security? Let's find out. One of the biggest pros is seamless account management. Most people get this wrong by assuming banking apps only let you check your balance. With HypoVereinsbank's app, you can view transactions in real time, transfer funds instantly, and even schedule future payments. The app also supports international transfers, making it convenient for expats or frequent travelers. Security is another strong point. The app uses two-factor authentication and biometric login options, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to ensure your accounts remain protected. Notifications for transactions and unusual activity provide an extra layer of safety. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional lag when loading account data or navigating between sections. While the app is packed with features, advanced tools like investment tracking or detailed financial insights are limited compared to dedicated finance apps. Customer support through the app can also be slower than phone assistance, especially for urgent issues. In conclusion, the UniCredit Bank HypoVereinsbank app is a solid choice for those seeking a secure, convenient way to manage their accounts from anywhere. The surprising truth is that while it handles everyday banking tasks exceptionally well, users looking for in-depth analytics or advanced investment tools may need additional resources. For anyone wanting a reliable mobile banking experience in Germany or Europe, this app delivers speed, security, and ease, but understanding its limitations ensures a smooth experience without surprises.